Listen very carefully because this is going to help you a lot. Suppose you are making the quotation for the first time, and this quotation is a standard quotation which you will normally send to everyone. Okay, now what you can do so that when you make quotation for the next time, this is something that you don't have to rewrite it again. So for that, what you have to do, you will just save it as you have done. You have also marked it there as a favorite. Okay, now when next time you create quotation for any other client, okay, let me show you any other in project. I'll open any other project, quotation inside. Okay, in quotation tool. Now I don't want to make the quotation because the requirement is almost same. It is a master bedroom that was required. So I'll just go to create quotation. I can clone from. Okay, when I can okay, there is no draft saved in this particular list, but I can clone. When I go to clone, I'll go to my favorites. As you have seen, this quotation was something that I have added as my favorite. Now this will start showing me here, and you can just select it. I can confirm it and see the quotation came exactly like that. If you want to change the price or anything, you just click on this, change whatever you want, and update it. Same now, clone will just clone everything. You won't be able to, just first clone it and then start adding item. But if you suppose I have added something, okay, already, I'll just show you one thing. By adding that dole work, select item, I'll just select this. I'll add my quantity and I will add item. Then you know that you have another item saved in another kind of quotation that you made. So you just go to import from, you go to my favorites. Now in import from, I'll just go to all favorites. Okay, whoever has in my team marked as all, because I am an admin, so I can see everyone's quotation there. I'll just select this quotation and I'll confirm it. Now those quotation, the list on that quotation added in my this present quotation. So here it is very easy. You can just create like this took me literally 2 minutes to create this quotation, and it was so easy to create that I don't have to literally type every time when I'm creating the quotation. So I hope this video helps you while creating the quotation. If you will have any other query, you can definitely reach out to our team. And if you want to book your demo to see what other features we have other than this quotation, because we have a lot, as we have specifically made for industry because we understand this industry. So reach out to us. The WhatsApp number will be shown, and it will also be added in the description. So okay then, goodbye for today, and we'll come again with another how to series video.